Before the actual dajjal appears, you have mini dajjals. That people, they get caught up in their fitna. Look at recently, Chuff Pir. People may find it funny. They find it funny. But it's not actually funny, because why? He comes to the towns like Blackburn and the hall is full. What does that say about our community? What does that tell you about our community? If a mini dajjal misguides so many people, then what about when the major dajjal appears? We may find that funny, but it's not funny. That when he comes to Blackburn, he fills the hall. May he never come to Birmingham, because if he comes to Birmingham, we are ready for him. But the point is that that is in preparation. A mini dajjal arrives and the people, they follow him.